Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Azad. Today I'm going to build one Sketchup model. If you follow along with me, you will get some idea to build your own model. I'm not just going to discuss about what is all about the Sketchup, software I'm using to build that model. You may already know what is Sketchup Pro. That's why you are here, and I'm just gonna set up my toolbar so I can quickly and efficiently use my toolbar. To do that, I can have all my tools organized where I want it. So I have select tool right here, the eraser tool. I don't really need it here. I just want it. Actually, I need to go customize so I can move my tools around. So I'm going to put my select tool, then I'm going to have my line tool, then I don't really need that tools right here because I don't need it. I don't need that unnecessary tool. I don't want to keep it there too confusing. Rotate tool, yeah, I might need it. And RV tool, pen tool. Okay, done. And one more things, you can go to view and tool palette and get the large tool set right there. You will have most of your tools right there. And one more things, you need to set up your model info. To set up your model info, you need to go in window and then go model info. My one is already set. I want to be decimal, centimeter, and 0.0 centimeter, and then angle snapping is 15 degree. You can do like 30, 45, and 10, 5, whatever. My one is 15 degree angle. Close this one out, and now I'm gonna go my rectangle tool. I always don't want to go in tool plate to pick up my rectangle tools. I'm just gonna go hit in R. That will give me my rectangle tools, and then once click, and do not do the second click, just release your mouse and then type 11 comma and 1200 centimeter and hit return. You have this one. Zoom extend, and I want to see the better view, and I'll push pull. This one is 30 centimeter, and then I'm going to go in top view, like here. You can just do the top view going to your menu, which is camera, standard view, and top view. Or also you can do comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like getting all the views, top, left, right, bottom. You can do this one also. That's why I have this one. Also you can go and get your tools, customize and get your standard views. So you can just click it right here to see all the views. Okay, right now I need actually a top view. Now I'm going to create a bunch of guidelines. I'm just going to be explain to you why I'm using all the guidelines. When you're using all the guidelines to create my walls, rooms, all the design and whatever I have it in my mind, I will put it through the guideline, and then I'm going to use my rectangle tool to, you know, close all my, guideline with the walls and everything. If you follow along with me, I promise, you'll learn lots of good things. And this is one of the model I saw in YouTube, and they did not explain anything, and they just did it so fast and so quick. People cannot learn from there. So that's why I take that model and create exactly the same thing and put it out there so other people can learn, get the same knowledge. This is just transferring the knowledge, and hopefully you'll enjoy and learn lots of you know technique to build your own model or your own document, construction document with it. Let's go jump in. This time I'm going to use the tape measure tool. This time I pick it up from here. Sometime I forget, I go in tool plate and just pick it up from here. But if you hit on the keyboard in T, you get your tape measure tools. Okay, all my walls is going to be 15 centimeters, so I'm just going to create 15 and 15 centimeter. So right now I'm going to concentrate with these two walls, and now 315, sorry, 15, that's 200, that's another 15, and this way I need 300, 15, that will be 150, that will be 15 centimeter, another 300 and 15, and this way I need another 200 and 15. For now, that's good. I'm not going to create more guideline, that will be confusing. So I'm going to get my rectangle tool. If you have a mouse with three wheel scroll up and down, that will very easy to work out with the Sketchup model. So let's do all the walls. I'm just creating all my walls. If you are wondering what I'm doing. Zoom extends, always reset your view. I just did it. Sometimes it gets really all the way to the corner, or is very small. Try to figure it out. How do I'm gonna be just to see the right view. Just like very complicated. Sometimes that make it very complicated, but anyway, let's keep continue going through that process. I don't need these two lines. You can delete this two line. I just like to, clean it right the way. So I don't know, actually I'm going to keep it that way, so I don't want to mess it up my model. I'm going to go 200 in this way, and another 15 centimeter this way. I'm going to come in this way, another 100 centimeter, and I'm going to go 15 centimeter this way. Okay, now I'm going to get my rectangle tool. I'm gonna get my guideline again. Just gonna go another 300 this way, and again 15 centimeter for the wall, and 100 centimeter this way. Another 15 is that way. So I'm gonna go get my rectangle tool, just hitting the R key, R in the keyboard. I need another 100 this way. You will have that more meaningful when I push pull the wall, so you know why I did all the guidelines where I did it. Maybe at this point it's not gonna be make sense to you, but it will be make sense to you very soon. Please be with me and do exactly what I just did. Okay, now like I said, you can erase all your guideline just going through the eraser tool, or you can just go to edit and delete the guides. I like it that way better. I'm just gonna be clean up a little bit my model. I always like to keep it nice and clean. Continue building is not good. Sometimes if your model is messy, you might not able to get the same result. If you can keep it nice and clean, be organized. Almost there. Looking good. Get back to my TIFF tools, and then I'm going to go 7.5 this way. Why I did go 7.5 this way? Just because I want to make this one is in the middle, because I want to pin this wall to win, because all the wall is 15 centimeter, so I'm going to take 7.5 this way and 7.5 this way. That make it the midpoint is 15 centimeter. Okay, so do it 7.5 this way, and from here you're gonna go 20 centimeter and 20 centimeter that way, and this way is 20 centimeter and 20 centimeter this way. Tape tool, 7.5, 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter. Looking good. All right. I'm going to do cleanup again. I'm just going to delete all my guides. I don't know, all my guides. A little bit cleanup. This is just a design idea. You can come up with your own design idea. You don't need to exactly follow how I'm designing it. Is most important things is take out from here using the tape measure tool or other tools, how the tools is behave. This is a most important things to take out from that model. Not just the model, you can come up with any kind of idea and make any model. This is not important, but the take out things from here, how actually all the tools behave. Delete the guides, and then again go to the eraser tool and erase it. Very good. Let me review that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Now I'm gonna take another 100 centimeter this way and 100 centimeter that way and 100 centimeter that way and 100 centimeter this way and 100 centimeter that way, and take my line tool. Use my line tool to just go 1, 2, 3. Okay. Again, read off your guidelines. So all of your guidelines is gone. Now I need to make this corner, I don't want to be just straight corner. I want to be round corner. So just gonna go right here. I'm gonna put 200 centimeter here. Sorry, tape tool. Centimeter that way. Okay, and I'm going to take my 2-point arc tool and push pull tool to adjust. The push pull tool also doesn't subtract your model. Eraser tool to erase this tool line. Okay, that's looking good, nice and clean. And I'm going to offset those walls by 15 centimeter. To do that, I'm just going to go to select tool and select my select my line, and then hit the offset tool. I set 15 centimeter offset it, and then do the same thing with this corner, offset by 15 centimeter. Like I said before, all of your walls need to be 15 centimeter. Okay, you don't really need that. You can clean this one up. That's fine. This is also, I needed a closed caption here. Close cap right here. Okay. Now I'm going to use my push-pull tool. Just going to use my push-pull tool to push down. This one is 20 centimeter, and this one I don't need to do it manually. Just double click it, it will do the job. Double click it and do the job. Okay, and this one I want to do 20, I want to do 10 centimeter, and same thing with this one. I want to 10 centimeter, and those things also I need 10 centimeter. Looks good. And how I need to do this one is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. This one is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Let me see if I need any cleaning issue. Okay, yeah, a little bit here. Go to your eraser tool and clean it. Just clean up. You can do as much as cleaning. Now I'm gonna be push pull. My wall is 320 centimeter. Okay, beautiful. Now I'm going to use the follow me tool to create the shade around this, front of the house. This is a technique you can use to create the shade. Okay, good. Just select those, guideline. Go this way is 240 centimeter, and this way is always in 15 centimeter. And use your rectangle tool to make that rectangle. Now, since I select those line, the push pull tool, I don't know, I have it, yes, right there. When you activate your push pull tool, and then all the guideline is deselected, but it did not deselected, the follow me tool will recognize it, and when I hit that rectangle, there will be create a wall around that selected line. Let me show you. Click it and that's it. See how this is created? Beautiful. If you manually going to do that, that will be nightmare. All right, so let's do some cleanup. Love it. I don't know about you, but I love it. Just follow me too. I don't need this one now. I can just delete it. Can delete that. And do the same thing here. Use the rectangle tool, just create the line around and then select it. All right, select, 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 and like I did in 240 centimeter by 15, the guideline, and create a rectangle. And now use your follow me tool, and that's it. Boom, done. Okay, that's all for today, and I'm going to continue doing the models. If you really liked it and you want to follow along, and check with me a few days from now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll continue building this model. Also, I'm going to make this one as a mansion, and when I'm done, you'll love it. But that will be, I said, you know, 1 or 2, 3 part of this building. This is the first part of the building. Thank you, and thank you for your time.